can't remember exactly when Williams introduced this diesel, but it must be close to 20 years ago. I didn't buy one back then because, well, I wasn't really sure about their looks, and they were pretty expensive. Fast forward to November of 2022, and while browsing eBay, I happened to come across a model with a low starting price and the Make Offer button. The description states that the running condition is unknown, but it looks pretty decent in the ad's photos. From the seller's eBay name, it seems like they may be an antique store or some kind of thrift shop. So I send a nice message asking about the train along with my offer, and what do you know? They accepted. The seller took a lot of nice photos that revealed only a few nicks here and there on the gray roof. And the graphics? Well, they're in pretty great shape. But will it run? It does run. And it runs very smoothly too. Forward, neutral, and reverse. That's why I like these older Williams trains. They're relatively simple, the paint and lettering are top-notch, and the reliability, well, it's really, really good. For $50, this was a heck of a deal. Bargains like this are pretty rare, and they don't happen every day, especially on eBay. That last sentence right there, well, that's called foreshadowing. It lets you know that something good is going to happen later, like in a future video. Here's another teaser. I went to a train show 3 days ago, and was I lucky enough to find a bargain even more awesome than this? Well, I'm not going to tell you. At least not now. Tune in later to find out. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.